Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to use one WhatsApp in your two different iPhone. Now let's say you have used your one number to create one WhatsApp and you want to use exactly the same WhatsApp to your other iPhone. Now here is how you can do it without even logging out your WhatsApp from your other iPhone, okay? Now to do this process guys, the very first work you have to do is very easy and simple. Just simply open up your browser and simply type whatsapp.com. Afterward, just go ahead and tap go, and then you are gonna see this website will come onto your screen. Now all you have to do guys, just go ahead and tap on this three dot and scroll down here and go ahead and tap a request desktop website. Afterward, the next things you need to do guys, just go ahead and tap this hamburger icon and then tap features. Once you've done that, simply scroll down here and then you'll be able to find another website which is official website for WhatsApp. Just simply go ahead and tap web.whatsapp.com. Well, just right after that, you will get this QR code. Okay, now all you have to do, guys, just go ahead and scan it from your other iPhone. Now, let me just go ahead and show you now. If you just open up your WhatsApp right here, and then make sure to tap settings. Once you've done that, you already see this little option right here which is so called the QR code. Just simply go ahead and tap on there and then it is going to give you this, it is ask you to scan the code. Just go ahead and tap scan it and then tap OK. Now go ahead and tap allow access to all photos. Now tap OK again and click or tap OK. Now go ahead and scan this QR code from your other iPhone. Now afterward you will see your other iPhone will get direct to the website and you will be able to use your WhatsApp the way you want to use it from your other iPhone as well. Well, although it's a website, but you don't really want to open up the website every time you want to use your WhatsApp. So you simply can create a shortcut for this WhatsApp and you'll be able to use this WhatsApp just the way you were using with your other iPhone. Now to create a shortcut guys, the first work you have to do from here, just simply go ahead and tap this three dot and then scroll down here and then you'll be able to see this option called add to home screen. Go ahead and tap add to home screen and then you can name it, but simply leave it as WhatsApp and tap add. And afterward guys, you will be able to see this option will come on. The shortcut will create for WhatsApp and then you'll be able to use it the way you actually want to use it for your WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you right there. So as you guys can see the messages, which is actually the same. So let me just take a close look here and it works exactly the same way. Okay, now you can do whatever you want to do with your WhatsApp using your other iPhone. Alright guys, so this is how you can do it. Hope this video is pretty useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we will talk to you all soon.